Well, thanks for joining the channel, everybody. Happy July 4th. Just thought I'd come out and do a little harvest here on our beginner gardening series transplants. And it's taken a while, but we're getting some peppers. And so things are starting to kick off a little bit. I got some more jalapenos on here that they're almost ready to go. Lots of shishitos. I've been picking these off a little bit, cooking them in some dishes. My son cooks them as well. Cubadels are starting to turn color. I may go ahead and pick these. Some more at the top, getting bigger. Same here on this plant. So they're doing pretty good. It's been pretty hot and humid, so just been doing what I need to do to keep them alive. And we're getting new blossoms. It has cooled down a little bit the last couple of days, so that's good. But these little Snackabelle peppers really do produce pretty well. Here's one right here that I picked. I picked some earlier. Little pepper, but they're sweet, just like a bell pepper. Pretty fun to grow. Grape tomatoes, struggling a little bit, growing, but not getting a whole lot of grape tomatoes off of here. It's just been too hot. And so, just keep watering. This will grow all the way through the heat, and when it starts to cool down, it'll probably start producing some more. These, on the other hand, probably will not. I do have some tomatoes on here, and they are growing. But I'm just not getting a whole bunch, and I wouldn't think I would, considering the weather we've had. But there are some tomatoes growing on here, so we'll take what we can get. And this guy right here, I know is probably a worm. I've been dealing with these things the whole time, so I'm just going to get rid of it. These spiders set up shop on these leaves, and they've been getting a lot of bugs. So we'll leave that. Over here I got a little grape tomato. Put him in our bowl. And I watered a couple of days ago, I think. Went on a little road trip, and they survived fine. It's starting to rain here now. You can see the little adventitious roots starting to poke out a little bit on these plants. I'm going to have a video on that, talking about that, and trichomes as well. So I've been seeing a lot of misinformation about those two things, so I wanted to clarify some of that and make sure the newbies understand what they're looking at and the purpose of and function of each one of those. So plants are doing okay. I've had better harvests, but remember how we started this. Basic potting mix, basic bag of compost, and we just mixed it together, put it in the pot, planted a plant. So it's basic as it can get, and you can get peppers and tomatoes by doing that. So don't get discouraged when you're trying to figure out if you want to get into gardening. So that's going to do it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.